how to install edit in Aternos. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, make sure that your server first is offline so that you can install the plugin. So once it's offline, what you want to do from here is go to software. After that, just click on spigot/bucket right here. So just click on this, and then afterwards, just choose the version that you're using right now for your server. So as an example, I'll just use the latest version right here, which is 1.21.4. So I'll just click on this. Next, I'll just click on install. From here, I'll just wait for it to install. And then there you go, it's now installed, basing from this check mark right here. And then from here, what you want to do is go to plugins. Afterwards, there are a lot of plugins right here that you can use. So I'll just click on World Edit right here. And then again, I'll just choose the latest version right here for the World Edit plugin, which is this one right here. So it's this one right here, 1.20.4. So I'll just click on download, and then I'll just wait for the download to finish. And then there you go, the download is now finished. And then after that, you're now done. So from here, you can now go back to your server, and then you can now start your server again. So just click on start again, and then now your server is running. And then you also have World Edit as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add World Edit in Aternos.